single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Hey guys, so I was just going through my my comments on YouTube, on some of my YouTube videos, and I realized that a lot of persons have been asking me about my garden. Recently, since I made the Q&A, and someone was asking about garden tips. But as you guys know, it's September now. It's summer is over, spring is over, it's almost fall, so fall is coming. So a lot of my stuff that I was growing, I already pulled them up. I've been using them quite a lot. All the beans are gone except for the green beans, and the carrots I pulled those. I pulled all the onions and the herbs. I still have some peppermint, some rosemary, some basil, some cilantro, and the others, the thyme is not looking too good because I haven't been outside recently, so they haven't been getting much water, even though it started to rain the other day, so that's the only water they've been getting. But pretty much the only thing that's flourishing right now is the beans, and I just came outside for the first time in probably a week around here, and I didn't realize there were so many beans on the peas that I have left, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest those. And then the next thing that I've been using quite a lot of is the okra. I did plant some okra, and yeah, those have been doing good. I don't know how long I'll keep it up for because it's getting too tall and I can't reach to the top of it right now, so I might take what's off now and probably just take the whole thing down. And I do have some tomatoes that I've been using. I have been using them in salads and cooking, so that's good. And as I said, the herbs and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have going on, and this is just a regular vlog. This is not you know, I'm just at home and I just decided to take up the camera and vlog me outside right now. So yeah, this is not gonna be some well edited video for today. It's just a regular vlog. But as I was saying, I do have some beans, and this is what I got so far. So I'm gonna finish picking those, and then I'm gonna move on to the okra. So because I think it's a lot of okra on there, that's why I took my pot outside to put them in, because I don't have anything big enough and wide enough, because the okras, they grow pretty long, they're pretty big. So I'm gonna pick the rest of the beans and then move on to the okras. And all the other stuff, as I said, I've pulled up the others and all of that, potatoes, everything. So my beans are looking a hot mess right now, so don't mind that, because the breeze blew them over, so it just looks like bush, but there are beans on it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this is how the beans look. So that's the beans. As I said, it looks a hot mess, so beans are on it. So I'm gonna pick these, and then this is the okra. And as I said, the breeze, it blew them over to one side, so that's why they're leaning to that side. And see, that's how tall they are. They are as tall as the house. Oh, this is okra, so I had to tie them together so that they don't fall over. And I had some onions and stuff in here, but I pulled those out. So the only thing in this now is the okra, so I'm gonna pick these. And I do have a lot on here. Look at these, look how long these are, and I have a lot more over here. So I'm gonna pick all these today and probably take this down. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing this now, and then I'm gonna head inside. So I'll probably just do a little quick montage of me picking all these right now. So hold it. Alright, so that's it for the beans. I am going to do the okras, and then because my battery is dying right now, so I'm gonna finish the okras and then I'll show you all that I got when I'm inside. Good morning, guys. So I just realized I didn't finish the vlog. I was showing you I was the little garden update, and when I came inside I was charging my camera battery, but I didn't remember to finish the vlog, so I'm gonna finish the vlog now. I'm gonna show you guys what I did harvest from outside, and then I'm gonna end the vlog here. So it's gonna be a very short vlog because I'm going on the road today, so I'm gonna vlog that. I'm going somewhere today, so I'm gonna vlog that. So I'm gonna end the vlog now and start a new vlog for today. So here's all that I got from outside the other day, and yeah. Alright, so this is all the okra that I got the other day from the trees. So what I usually do is cut them up small and freeze them. So I do have a bag in the freezer now, so I'm going to cut these up, and I still have some more I haven't cut up as yet, so I'm going to add these to it. Cut these up and probably put this in another bag, put them in the freezer. And then here are the beans I got, and I got a few tomatoes. So yeah. And for the beans as well, I usually cut them up smaller and freeze them. So I do have a bag each for the beans and the okras in the freezer already, so I'm gonna cut these up later on today and put those in the freezer. And for these tomatoes, I usually eat them with salad, or sometimes I'll use them and cook. So yeah, so that's it for the gardener update. And yeah, if I do have anything else to update you guys on the garden soon, I'll do another video on that. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for today, and until next time, bye guys.